Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Today I'm going to explore Ikea for the Diwali collection and couple of other items. So let's get started. So this is how we enter into the Ikea Hyderabad store. We went on a Saturday, so it is little rush. This is how we go inside. It has 3 to 4 levels of parking. P1, P2 in both the sides. So they are following all the safety protocols. They check your temperatures, they check whether you have your masks on or not. It is always safe to have your gloves, mask on when you're in IKEA. So today we are parking our car at P2. This is the entrance to the IKEA. This is the security checkpoint, and once you go inside, you need to go up, climb the stairs. So IKEA is also having lots of items in their new lower prices. You need to collect your yellow bag to pick up the items in the first floor. This is one of the most famous items in IKEA. Any items that you pick here, you can place in your yellow bag. So we have started exploring the IKEA. There are lots of items which are specific to the Diwali collection. These are the small balls where you can place your flowers, pot powderies, etc., which is priced at 79. This is the jewelry organizer. This is priced at 349. And next we have lanterns. This pink one is a bigger one. These are the doormats which are also in the Diwali collection. The curtains in yellow and pink. The flower garlands. Lots of bowls, mirrors. The brass items are one best buys in IKEA. The green leafed one are also good here. They are priced at 429 rupees. And next we have this cute white lanterns, which is also most buyed in IKEA here. This is priced at 259. They have different sets of candles alongside the lanterns too, so you can pick them up right away when you buy your major products. So anything you like in this floor, you can place it in your yellow bag, and in the second floor bottom you can take your trolley and place this yellow bag on it. So the crowd is too huge that it has become difficult for me to shoot. So inside the IKEA store, you always have this arrows which show you in which direction you are next headed to. You have all the products placed in the bins and in the desired locations. Let me start sharing the IKEA plan as well. So this is the IKEA brochure that you get anywhere in the IKEA store once you're inside. So it shows the floor plans, which section has which set of products, the categories defined, and the shortcuts and the exits. So once you enter into the parking, you have different sections like these. They have total 29 sections here. So in the first floor, it has 12 sections ending with the IKEA restaurant, and then you have the shortcuts defined here. You have shortcuts from 3 to 8, 1 to 12 direct to the IKEA restaurant and then to the market hall. So they also provide you a glossary of items which is present in which section. So if you have this handy, you can explore IKEA at its best. So do collect it at the starting of your IKEA tour. So there are possibly three options in IKEA where you can buy the items. One is directly in the showroom at the first floor, which you can keep it in your yellow bag. The second is the items that you can collect it at market hall, and the third is self-service furniture area where you need to pick up the furniture and put it in your trolley. So this is how you need to decode the items that you're picking up at self-service furniture area. It shows the rack numbers where the furniture will be present. You just need to go and pick that up. And anytime you have this yellow mark, you need to contact the staff for you to place the order. That is usually for the bigger items. These are some pillow covers, which are also of the Diwali edition, which has the pom-poms. I also caught few glimpses of other products. This is also one of the most bought products, priced at 149. A pot stand with flowers, artificial flowers. And this pot stand is for 79 rupees. So in total it would be 150 plus 80. And these are also one of the cute vases that I found across. And then we have this organizers like this, which is priced at 1590. The flower vases are too good in collection now. Then we have a set of bottle with stoppers priced at 279, pack of 3. I really like this product as well. And then we have lots of organizers for your garden balconies. This is a Christmas wreath priced at 199. And then you have this huge mixing bowl which is made of steel. The price of this is 459 rupees. Then you have couple of other kitchen items in this floor. Here you can see lot of decor items. These are the Diwali edition flower diyas. I picked up couple of them from here too. They have sets of candles here, the scented and unscented flavors. These are all the artificial flowers. This is the pink vase that is so beautiful. The price of this is 229 rupees. They have sunflower organizers too. The office chairs collection is too good at Ikea. So if you are looking to buy one, please go ahead. They have 10-year inbuilt warranty. This is the laptop stand that I have already bought and shared in my earlier Ikea videos. And then this is the set for salt pepper that can be used in kitchen. This is a set of 4. You get it at the price of 99 rupees. You can use this item for return gift purpose as well. So this is where you can collect these. Write the items against the entry with the pencils that you are provided there. You have sanitizers placed all over IKEA. So this is also one of the item that I liked so much. The basket along with the plants. These are artificial plants and the basket is priced at 629 rupees, which can be used as a decor for your gardens. And then you have lots of lights at very affordable prices here. The next most picked item is this one, which is an organizer tub, which is priced at 99 rupees. This can be used as a paper dispenser. And then this roll to keep it in your kitchen shelves, storage boxes, etc. And here we have couple of kitchen cutlery items. We have lots of storage boxes like this. The open storage containers without lids. This is priced at 219 rupees. You have different sizes of these and shows which purposes that these can be used for. This is how they look. These are the storage baskets that can be used in the kitchens. for storing your onions, potatoes, fruits, etc. The price of this one 2190. And then we have this photo frames priced at 99 rupees. Here we have the best collection in IKEA for the spoons, glasses, plates and the bowls. These are the spoons and the bowls, plates, glasses. You can see lots of people buying these products. The average price of this is 99 rupees for a set of 6 pieces in each. This is how they look. The next we have come to the IKEA restaurant. This is how the IKEA restaurant looks like. So first you need to take a trolley, place the trays and pick the items that you wish to have. So first I have picked up 2 coffee cups. The coffee here is unlimited. They have different varieties like cappuccino, latte, black coffee, teas, etc. Then they have lots of cakes, pastries, fruit bowls, sandwiches, etc. This is the main course counter where they have chicken meatballs, butter chicken rice bowls, etc. Varieties of croissants they have, tomato soups, lots of cookies, potato wedges, broccoli, etc. This is our food. Next we are going to the next floor. So this is the ground floor market hall. This flower vases is priced at 99 rupees. And then we have this flower pots priced at 299 rupees. They are made of ceramic and in beautiful white color. Then you have this natural plants priced at 89 rupees. So these are the candlelight holders, set of 3, and these are the trays. This is the most famous IKEA glasses at 99 rupees. They are available in blue and pink colors. Then we have this brass pomegranate shaped lids. This is the storage boxes to keep your soap and other items. It is how it looks. They are available in 3 different sizes here. Then we have this decor lights. So these are the strip lights available in different sizes and shapes. So these have a pack of 12 lights on an LED strips. So you have batteries just alongside the lights, so you can pick them up right away. These are also different lights that are available in IKEA, the decor lights. And here we have longer strips. These are the lanterns. The pink ones are priced at 8.99 and the yellow ones are 3.99. These are also the candlelight holders. Pack of 3 we have in 3 different sizes. And then we have lots of Christmas decor as well here. They have pack of 100 candles here, the scented and non-scented candles. This is all the decor section. These are the diya lights. I picked up couple of from here. They have lots of varieties of candles here. These are the trays that are very beautiful, made of brass. The candlelight holders again. The lights and the batteries next to it. This is the self-service furniture area where they have different categories and columns mentioned where you can pick up your items, and these are the quick picks which are present in the middle. They have chairs, pot pourries, candles. These are the natural plants that few people have picked. These cups are also one of the best buys in IKEA, and these are the trolleys that we have seen in the up. Now we are heading to the billing section, and these are the quick pick items that are on our way. The yellow lanterns and the most white products, they keep them here. So we have picked up all our items. Let's head to the billing sections. So there are different counters here, the self-billing ones and the paid ones. So you can pick anything. Let's go to the home.
Hi guys, so I have just come back from Ikea. So let me show you what are the products that I got from Ikea. The first product that I picked up is this jewelry organizer. So this is in this shape. This is in yellow color. You need to place this attachment down and you can put your jewelry, earrings, chains, etc. on this. The next product I got is this cute yellow lantern. You have two sizes in this. This is the small one that I picked. There is another big one in pink color as well. I'll share the MRP and the prices that I got for all these products below. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is in cute yellow color. The next one I got is this brass candle holder. This is in this cute shape like this. You can place bigger candles in this. The MRP of this is 800. I got it for around 400 I think. I'll leave the prices. And to make a pair, I got these candles as well to put them inside this. I got two colors of these. The gold one and the pink one. So these two are the unscented block candles. There are scented ones available in Ikea as well. So I got two of these. Next I got couple of wired string lights. So they have different pairs, like if you have 9 lights, 12 lights, 16 lights, they have different packs for that. So I got the very small one in one, the bigger one, and the much bigger ones two I got. Let me show you how they look like. So this small pack has 40 lights and this pack has 12 lights and this bigger pack has 24 lights. Let me open and show you the 40 lights pack. So this is how the packaging comes. So it looks like this. This strip has 40 LED lights attached to it. So all these string LED lights would need two AA batteries. So in every section in Ikea, just beside the lights, you will have the relevant batteries as well. So I got a couple of AA batteries too. So these are pack of 4 and I got a couple of them. And along with this, I also picked up a rechargeable battery slot one. I picked this charger for rechargeable batteries. So every time you use this AA batteries, you can just recharge in this and use it for the LED lights. Let me show you how this charger looks like. You get this like this. Next, I got a couple of standing candles as well. So these are also battery operated and I think these would need AA batteries, 8 in quantity for all 4 of these. Each would need 2. So you can place these on any candle holders that you have. I got 2 of these. These are in warm white color. The MRP of these is around 840 and we are getting it for 499 I suppose. This is how they look. Next I got couple of LED tea lights as well. They are available in 2 colors, warm white and white. So this is a warm white and this is the white ones. They come in pack of 6. So I got 2 of them. So I got 2 each in warm white and bright white. And for the batteries to it, it would need the lithium battery CR232. So I got 4 sets of these for all these LED lights. So you can use these LED tea lights anywhere when you cannot place the diya lights, etc. So to place these candles, we would need the diyas to hold them. So I got couple of brass made diyas from Ikea. The first one is this cute flower shaped one. So it looks like this. This beautiful lotus shaped one. I got 6 of these. The next one that I got is this diya in this shape, in the lotus bud shape. So it looks like this. I got 6 of these two to place the candles. The next one that I got is this tea light holder too. This is in the cute lotus shaped ones. This is available in pink and gold color too. The pink one is the Diwali edition and the gold one is the regular one that we get in Ikea. So this is priced at 499 rupees. However, the MRP is little high. So this is a lotus shaped one that I got. I got 4 of these ones. They are in pink color. So to place the candles in this, I already have a couple of candles with me. These are from the home center. These are scented flavored ones. And I got one from Danube Home too. This is a pack of 100 candles that I have. In Ikea also we have a pack of candles available in plain and scented flavors too. So you can check them out as well. So after I decorate my home with all these diyas and the lights, I'll also share a separate video on how my home turned for Diwali. That's it from my today's video of Diwali edition in IKEA guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay positive. Cheers.